Don't be left out in the cold. When selling your home, are you a seller planning to list your home this winter? Well, there are several ways you can help prepare your home for the market in the cold winter months. Hi, I'm Nguyen with AC Estate at Keller William Realty. Depending on your location, selling your home in the winter is not the same as selling in the spring or in the summer months. So what are some tips you can do as a seller to add value to your home in the winter months? Number one, stage your home for the winter. Staging your home for the winter means doing your best to create a snug and cozy vibe. Some buyers may want to visualize snugging up into a cozy fire pit. Use throw blanket and pillows, warm scents like cinnamon and clove, and put away any out of the season item. Secondly, focus on lighting. Winter months have different natural lighting because the sun sets earlier, so there may be less natural lighting when photographed and showing. Have extra lamps on and make sure blinds are kept open and windows clean to help bring in the more natural light. Another tip is to keep the season decor to a minimum. Don't go overboard with winter decoration. Keep it simple and understand. Make your home inviting and cared for. Also, be sure to keep the house at a comfortable temperature. No one likes to walk into a freezing home. Keep the temperature comfortable during a showing so buyers are not distracted by the cold. Also, make sure you clean up. Make sure the property exterior is clear of debris, leaves, or snow so your home is inviting with excellent curb appeal. Finally, it is always a good idea to check the HVAC is working properly. If you would like more tips and information on selling during the winter, feel free to contact my team and I so we can help you. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.